In today's video, we want to grow your plants faster and healthier at home. Today, we are sharing 5 amazing DIY mini greenhouses ideas, perfect for indoor and outdoor gardening. Let's get started. Number 1. 4-tier portable mini greenhouse. At the top of our list is the 4-tier portable mini greenhouse. For small spaces, it's absolutely perfect. Its shelf-style design will allow you to grow multiple rows of seedlings and seeds at the same time. The biggest advantage is that it's very lightweight and portable, so you can easily move it wherever it's needed. Number 2. Walk-in greenhouse. Next, let's look at the walk-in greenhouse. If you have a bit more space on your patio, then this greenhouse will be the best choice. Its main advantage is its walk-in size, which not only accommodates larger plants but also provides the opportunity to add multiple shelves for growing seedlings from seeds. Most importantly, it will keep your plants completely protected from insects, harsh winds, and excessive sun heat, while maintaining the necessary warmth and humidity inside. Number 3. Tabletop Mini Greenhouse. In third place is the Tabletop Mini Greenhouse. This is the most compact option for your indoor or kitchen garden. It is excellent for starting seedlings or for keeping small potted plants such as various types of herbs and succulents. Another modern advantage is that many of these models come with integrated LED grow lights. This easily ensures your plants get the necessary light for growth, even during winter on in rooms with low natural light. Number 4. Tunnel greenhouse. Finally, let's look at the tunnel greenhouse or cloche style greenhouse. It is designed to protect vegetables or flowers planted in rows. Its lightweight tunnels structure can be easily placed directly on the soil or on small garden beds. While it protects plants from heavy rain, cold, or strong winds, it also allows a generous amount of sunlight to enter. Number 5. Polycarbonate Panel Kit. And our final product is the Polycarbonate Panel Kit. For those seeking a long-lasting professional-grade DIY solution, this is the best option. Although it is a kit, its polycarbonate panels are as transparent as glass, but far more robust and durable. Its structure is designed for excellent insulation or temperature control, allowing you to garden all year round.